dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
Holiday greetings. I'm Dr. Ronnie Hopkins, the 10th president and CEO of Voorhees University, the first HBCU founded by an African-American woman, Elizabeth Evelyn Wright, in 1897. As Christmas 2025 draws near, I want to pause and share my heartfelt wishes with each of you and take a moment to reflect on the true reason for the season, Jesus Christ. This season is a time of joy, peace, and reflection. It reminds us of the gift of community, the bonds we share, the work we do together, and the hope that unites us. At Voorhees University, we are more than an institution of higher learning. We are a beloved community, a family built on faith, resilience, and purpose. We cherish and embrace our beloved community as a society built on peace, justice, equality, and love, where all people are cared for and connected. It is characterized by an interdependent relationship among all individuals working to overcome division, fear, and systemic injustice, fostering understanding, mutual respect, and shared prosperity to ensure that all life can thrive. From our beloved community to your homes, may this Christmas bring you rest, warmth, and time with loved ones. May your heart be renewed with hope and gratitude as we close one chapter and look ahead to all that God has in store. From our beloved Voorhees University community to yours, I bid you Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, and Happy New Year. May God bless you all as we step forward into the new year with hope, purpose, and love within a beloved community. To God be the glory.